So, girls, it's time to start putting together our dessert. Our fruitcake bread pudding. Y'all try to hold down your excitement now when I say fruitcake. I know.
I trust you,
Yeah, we're all fruitcakes, aren't we? All right, listen. 8 eggs in here.
All right.
Suzette.
Yes, ma'am.
From you, I got all the ingredients.
Oh.
If you'd bring your sugar up here,
Okay.
your nuts, your fruitcake pieces, all right, your cherries. You keep on going, Itchy. Okay, so we need 1.5 cups of sugar.
All right.
We need 1 pound of dried fruit. We've got 8 ounces of dried cherries that have been cut in half.
Okay.
You're adding 2 cups of walnuts. So I'm gonna start measuring us out 2 cups of heavy cream.
The bread pudding sounds
Oh, listen, I
divine.
just love bread
I do
pudding.
too, and you know, and I didn't growing up.
All right, I'm gonna use some vanilla.
A dash.
A dash. I'm gonna put in 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm gonna put in some nutmeg. And I have just found over the years that you really wanna kind of stick with the fresh grated
Well, see, I've never done that.
nutmeg. Well, it's just so much better smelling there.
Well, I trust you completely.
Smell.
That's awesome.
I'm getting about 1/4 of a teaspoon of nutmeg.
Does the nutmeg go a long way? Is it strong?
Yes, the flavor of nutmeg goes
Yeah.
a long way. All right, so I need for you to get our croissants over there, Suzette.
Yum.
And we can all pitch in.
I knew you weren't going to just use regular old bread.
No, honey, it's Christmas time. All right, so we just need to cube up
All right.
our croissants. All right, and you
We
got
don't
all
have
the
to- yeah,
cherries.
everything's in there.
All
We
right,
don't have
so I'm just gonna stir this in. Suzette, if you'd get over there
All
and
right.
help your sister.
Come help me, Fiffer.
I'm on my way.
So that bread is gonna make our bread pudding so rich.
Fruitcake.
Look at this. Look at this.
Oh,
That's so pretty. It's
gosh.
pretty.
Isn't that pretty? Get out of there. Look, we got a stuck cherry. There we go. When y'all get the 10 croissants cubed, just
you ready
you
for
can start, yeah, just start pouring them in.
All right, here.
And I'm gonna just drown every piece
I'm gonna start over here.
of that croissant in our custard.
That goodness.
Yes, that goodness, and it's gonna become like a custard. And we're gonna bake this in a 350-degree oven for about an hour, girls.
Oh, it takes.
Where's Amy, spray our pan,
Okay,
please.
Here's some spray.
Amy Lee Itch. Just
Ma'am.
pour that into our dish. Here, I'll help you.
You know I'm real weak.
No, I know you're real strong.
Suzette's
All right, so just tilt it.
That is
That does
pretty,
look
though.
good.
Isn't that beautiful?
It really is.
Well, we ain't through with it yet, girls. So I'm just gonna kind of push that down in that custard. So
That looks good.
Uh-huh. All right, so in the oven, 350,
Okay.
1 hour. The big oven,
okay.
honey. We're gonna put it in the big oven.
The show enough of it.
The show enough Sarah's oven. Okay, girls, let's make now our whiskey sauce for the bread pudding. All right, 2 cups of heavy cream.
Okay.
That is 2 cups. You don't even have to measure it,
Okay.
Amy. 1/2 cup of sugar. I'm gonna make a little slurry of 1 tablespoon of cornstarch.
Go, Sissy.
And I'm gonna measure out 1/4 of a cup of whiskey. Now, girls, y'all not listening to
Yes,
me.
ma'am, a 1/4 cup of whiskey.
Yes.
You're gonna make a flurry over here. I am multitasking.
You have heard every word I've said, you little heifer. Suzette, why don't you get out our bread pudding? Because I think it's been in there long enough. You through with the sugar?
Yes,
Amy,
ma'am.
we got all that out.
Let
How
me
does
see.
it look?
Well,
Oh, wow, that is so
isn't that
pretty.
gorgeous? Mighty fine.
Put
You
it
know,
right here, Suzette.
It's a little HOT.
I tell you what,
Oh.
if you would, speaking of HOT, we want to pour on our whiskey sauce straight out of the oven while it's hot.
Okay.
Yum.
Yes, because I love to eat my bread pudding warm.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and pour that in. Now you wanna beat that good, Amy.
All right, how's this looking? 'Cause
It's
my
looking
arm is
good.
getting tired.
Here, I'll take over. I'll take over. All right, look at
All right, I
that.
can bring
Look
my
at
neck.
that. Would you
Looking good.
look at that?
Oh, my God.
That's some good.
Right on
That's
top.
good gravy right there.
That's some fine gravy.
You know, we put gravy on everything.
Yes. Hand me a little knife.
My
down
mouth
there,
is
Suette.
watering.
Woo, there it is.
All right.
Oh, and
I'm
then you're going
just-
to make it seep all down in there.
Yes. Couple of little slits. All right, let's go to the table.
I'm
You know
ready
what?
to eat. I need some nourishment.
Me too.
I mean, I'm
Let's-
shaking.
I
I'm so
know, I'm
hungry.
starving
I know I
too.
look like I need some
All right,
nourishment.
come on. We got a trivet over here.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, my gosh.
Look how beautiful everything
It
Doesn't it look
does.
delicious?
Yes,
Take
ma'am.
that lid off that rice while you got those. Oh, my gosh. All right, now do we have, all right, that's a spoon for the pudding.
All right, that thing's hot.
I know it, sit
I
it
don't
down.
want-
All right, we got a spoon for the, what do y'all call it, rice dressing?
Rice dressing or dirty rice.
Hey,
girls.
darn time.
What did I tell
You
y'all?
said as soon
What
as we
did I
sit down
tell
to
you?
eat, she would be walking through that door.
She'd be smelling the groceries.
And I am starving. I am ready for some of that.
Y'all go ahead and kill me today.
Sweet and savory.
That's good. Whipped cream.
Pretty good.
There you go, Mom.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this blast from the past, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button, as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.